New Zealanders love the outdoors. We can often be found swimming, hiking or hunting in our beautiful forests. But across Aotearoa, our trees are suffering. 2 pathogens have arrived on our shores and are causing diseases that could wipe out entire ecosystems. Kauri dieback is spread by the movement of soil and is killing the giant kauri, a keystone species and cultural treasure. Myrtle rust spores are carried on the wind, infecting lots of different native and economically important species such as pohutukawa and manuka. If we do nothing, we may lose our precious trees forever. That's why, in 2018 and 2019, the government announced 2 lots of funding specifically aimed at fighting kauri dieback and myrtle rust. The first announcement was for research into both diseases, lasting 3 years. The second announcement was just for kauri dieback, adding over $20 million to the research basket. This extra funding was placed in our care, the BioHeritage National Science Challenge. We're calling it Rākau Taketake, which reflects the permanent relationship we all have with our trees. Under Rākau Taketake, we're going to work with lots of partners, all of us investing in discovery, invention, innovation, translation, adoption and scale out. Anything it takes to get real results and impact on the ground. Alongside Western science, we're also investing in mātauranga Māori, early career development, social science, communications and much more. If we make meaningful partnerships and work together, hopefully we can make real progress towards saving our kauri and myrtle trees. Check out bioheritage.nz to find out more about Rākau Taketake, including the latest news and how you can get involved. Because we all need to do our bit to safeguard our trees for future generations.